A New York court having now accepted the guilty plea of the Indian national Nikhil Gupta. As last week Nikhil Gupta had pleaded guilty in the murder to hire plot as far as when it comes to the Justice Department is concerned. Vikas Yadav and Nikhil Gupta of India have now been charged with murder for hire, which carries a maximum penalty of 10 years in prison. Conspiracy to commit murder for hire, which carries a maximum penalty for 10 years in prison, and a conspiracy to commit money laundering, which carries a maximum penalty of 20 years in prison. Well, this is the New York court there, Akanksha, which has now accepted Nikhil Gupta's plea as guilty.
Well, absolutely. Remember last week, Nikhil Gupta had pleaded guilty to plotting the murder of the Khalistani terrorists, and now that plea has been accepted by the court. Let me take you through the order copy. It mentions whereas the defendant's defendant's guilty plea was made before the magistrate judge on Feb 13th, whereas a transcript of was made and thereafter was transmitted to the district court, and now it is mentioned here that it is hereby ordered that the defendant's guilty plea is now accepted. So that's the latest coming in. Remember, he had pleaded guilty on the charges including murder for hire, conspiracy to commit murder for hire, and conspiracy to commit money laundering as well. That plea of Nikhil Gupta, he has pleaded guilty to plotting the murder of a Khalistani terrorist. That has been accepted by the court.
All right. Bhavtosh is also with us right now. Bhavtosh, what happens from here on? Because what the Justice Department has been saying, as far as these two individuals are concerned, they have now been charged with murder for hire, which carries a maximum penalty of 10 years in prison.
Well, Amita, as far as the case is concerned, Nikhil Gupta has pleaded guilty. The court has accepted his plea, and on 29th May, the court will give the point of sentence. As far as Vikas Gupta is concerned, the FBI has already issued a warrant against him. Vikas Gupta is in India. He is facing a case of abduction, attempt to murder and kidnapping, which has been registered by the Delhi police. He, in fact, was arrested and subsequently is out on bail. The police is to file a supplementary charge sheet in that case. Now, in the extradition pact between India and US, a person has to first undergo the sentence that is pending against him in India, and then subsequently can be extradited to the country where he is facing the fresh charges.
Right.
As far as Nikhil Gupta is concerned, India has not made any statement, but earlier it had said that they will look into this case, and India has also said that Vikas Yadav has in fact been removed from the government services.
Right.
In the statement that has been issued by the DOJ, they have specifically mentioned that Vikas Yadav was working for Cabinet Secretariat or RNDW.
Thank you very much for the moment for joining in with us.